This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Vioma Lorenzo. Move-in ready. $10,000 seller contribution. This meticulously maintained home, boasting 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths on a captivating conservation lot, provides a serene backdrop for everyday living. The open floor plan, Lantana, bathes the living spaces in natural light as you enter, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Plantation shutters in all bedrooms added $3,500. Upgraded refrigerator, washer and dryer included $10,000. The owner's suite offers a generous layout, with his and hers walk-in closets and a spa-like ensuite bathroom with a soaking tub and a separate walk-in shower. Situated in the sought-after neighborhood of Evergreen Estates, this home is a tranquil retreat close to local amenities, shopping centers, and hospitals. Schedule a showing today. For more information